Doing a little unboxing today. It's more like an unwrapping because I had to take them out of the boxes. They came in a much larger box. We'll start with these smaller things here. We've got 4 grommets, which I believe will go with these brackets that are part of Z1's sway bar kits. So that's kind of a spoiler of one of the things I'll be unpacking in the future. Got 4 of those, 4 grommets. They look really nice. I had Z1 sway bars on a 370Z in the past, and they did quite well. What else is in here? This is Z1 bracket for an oil catch can that I don't currently know where it is, but this is the bracket for it. What is this? Hex screw. I guess there's 1 screw in this big old bag. Must be really important. Let's not lose that. This is more hardware. Little Allen key driver. Some washers, some hose clamps. And a loose washer in the bag. I'm not sure if that goes with this or just an extra part. We'll see. Get this stuff put back up. And then here's some bag of miscellaneous hardware. Oh wow, this actually goes to the, well, I don't want to give away another thing. I almost messed up. This is some hardware for another thing we'll be doing later. Like I said, it all came in a large box. All these pieces here. So I don't even know what all of it goes to yet until I get everything out of the boxes, which we're going to be slowly doing over the next week. I'm going to assume this is for the oil catch can. Well, actually there's a label. Yeah, 23Z catch can hose set. Those are nice, real nice. Good color to them. I already have all the bends and angles you'll need to hook everything up. I like that a lot. This. All right, couple big things. Full disclosure, I already opened this one because I had to look at it. This is the Z1 carbon fiber radiator shroud, and it is gorgeous. Sometimes it's hard to tell on video how good these things actually look, but I'll try and get it close. I don't really know where my camera is even pointed right now, but hopefully you can see that. All the weave is nice and tight. I don't see any bad spots. And it's got the nice raised Z1 embroidery there too. Let everybody know where you got it from. Slide that out of the way and get to the next one. I have not opened this one yet, but I do believe it is the engine cover. Oh, there's another piece in there. Also from Z1 and also in carbon fiber. Nice packaging. It's always fun to open new parts. The brackets seem to be installed nicely. Now, I've actually only popped the hood on the new car a couple times, so I don't know which piece goes where yet. I don't know if that's a top or bottom piece. All right. Which end? Go. Brackets all look good. Alright, so this is the lower portion. Also looks just absolutely stunning. I don't know if it's coming through on camera as good. Got the nice Z1 emblem there. There is a little something on the clear, but it may come off. If not, nobody's gonna notice it. It's just, I'm very, very picky about things. So then this is the upper portion. It's almost like a little piece of chest armor. It's pretty cool. This is really gonna help things under the hood look good. All right, that's it for this quick unwrapping. We've got lots of more parts to come. If you like the video, I'll be doing installs, and you can follow me on YouTube.